In this video, you'll learn how to filter and sort transactions in Wave accounting. Whether you're trying to track down specific vendors, isolate unreviewed entries, or simply organize your data for tax preparation, mastering these techniques will save you time and effort. Let's start with filtering your transactions. Filters are a handy feature that helps you temporarily hide transactions that don't meet your specific criteria, making it easier to focus on what really matters to you. First, you'll need to log into your Wave accounting account at waveapps.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar menu. Here, you'll see various options. Click on Accounting, and then select Transactions. This will bring you to your Transactions ledger, which is essentially a detailed list of all your financial activities. At the top of this transaction list, you'll notice a layout with various functions. Look for the Filter button and click on it. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a range of parameters to choose from. This is where you can specify the criteria for the transactions you wish to view. For example, you might want to filter transactions by date, vendor, or category. Select your desired filter, and the transactions that don't meet your criteria will be temporarily hidden, allowing you to focus on the ones that do. Remember, this filtering process is completely reversible, so you can always adjust your criteria or remove the filter if needed. Now, let's move on to sorting your transactions. Sorting is another valuable tool that helps you organize your financial data in a way that makes sense for your current needs. Once you're on the Accounting Transactions page, you'll see a header row at the top of your transaction grid. This row contains labels like date, description, account, and amount. Each of these labels represents a different column in your transaction list. To sort your transactions, simply click directly on the header text of the column you want to sort by. For instance, if you wish to sort your transactions by date, click on the Date header. Clicking it once will sort the transactions in ascending order, showing the oldest first. Click it again, and the order will switch to descending, showing the most recent transactions at the top. This sorting feature can be applied to any column header, allowing you to organize your data by description, account, or amount, depending on what you need. By effectively using the filtering and sorting features in Wave accounting, you can streamline your financial management process. These tools not only make it easier to find specific transactions, but also help you prepare for tasks like tax filing or financial analysis. Remember, the key is to experiment with different filters and sorting options to find the best setup for your workflow. That's all for this quick guide. Now you know how to filter and sort transactions in Wave accounting. With these skills, managing your finances should be a much more straightforward and efficient process. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.